Alright everyone, so in this case, in this chat section, we go over the last section of discrete probability distribution with the multivariate hypergeometric probability distribution. So this is an extension of the previous distribution, the hypergeometric, the simple hypergeometric. But in this case, this is um, the previous one was limited to just events in which there were only two possible outcomes. In this case, we are going to have more than two possible outcomes, more samples to choose from. Okay, the formula is right here. It's going to be given um, in terms of combinations. You know, the choose x1. So for example, let me write this down in terms of combinations. For example, from big X1 we choose little x1. Oh, what's going on here? We choose little x1 times from big X2 we choose little x2, etc. And then divide by from n choose little n xk, whatever that is, little xk. So we are going to have multiple outcomes in this case. Okay, so let's look at an example. I think an example would be better. Okay, so what are we going to have? We have a bag of Skittles. There's 32 Skittles, okay, in which 7 of them, okay, this is too big. Let me make it smaller. Okay, so 7 of them are red, 5 of them are purple, 8 of them are blue, 6 of them are yellow, and 6 of them are green. So in this case, we don't have just good and bad ones. So in this case, we are going to have even more mini samples to choose from. So, okay, I'm going to divide, instead of just 2 boxes, I'm going to divide it into 5. Okay. And so I'm going to highlight with red the part of the bag of skills with red. Okay, and then with purple, I'm going to highlight the purple Skittles. And then with blue, I'm gonna highlight this region right here. And yellow for this region right here where the blue Skittles will be. So you might want to use your own highlighters and draw this illustration to help you color code the situation and see how we are going to select the Skittles and where from, depending on the color and the amount of each. Okay, so let's see. So there's a total of 7 red ones. There's a total of 5 purple ones. There's a total of 8 blue ones, 6 yellows, and 6 green. Okay, I'm going to take a sample. Okay, so let's highlight 2 of them are red. So we take a sample of 11. So we take a sample of 11. Which I'm going to circle. And 3 of them are purple. one of them is blue, two of them are yellow, and three of them are green. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, let's label inside of the box. So again, two of them are red, three of them are purple, one of them is blue, and two of them are yellow, and finally, three of them are green. Okay, so I'm gonna find the probability of obtaining two red, three purple, one blue, two yellow, and three green. Actually, the order is not gonna matter because in this case, it's going to be, we're gonna be multiplying these numbers. So order won't matter for multiplication as usual. So, okay, let's see. Let me, okay, this is going too slow again. All right. Nope, not this. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. All right. Wanted to move this over here, down here. And from the sample of red ones, there's 7 that I'm going to choose. Okay, let me actually write the other notation first. So 7 choose 2, 5 choose 3, 8 choose 1, 6 choose 2, and 6 choose 3. Divide that by the total amount of Skittles, which in this case we said it was 32. Choose 11. Okay, if we use the C notation for this, we are going to get, so 7 choose 2 times 5 choose 3 times 8 choose 1 times 6 choose 2 times 6 choose 3. The whole thing being divided by 32, choose 11. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this using the calculator. It's going to take a good minute, I guess, but the good thing, I still have the calculations I did for the earlier section, the hypergeometric, and I'm going to delete this 5, this 20, and the entire operator here, the combination. I'm going to delete the division sign. I'm going to do, and to take advantage, I'm going to, oh, now let me insert times here. Where is the times? Right there. Okay, not there. Okay, let me delete all. Oh, right here. Okay, and then I'm going to change this division sign for a times sign, and then I'm going to type. Okay, let me go all the way. So it's going to be 7, delete this 4, 7, choose 2, and then 5, choose 3 times 8. Be sure to delete this 4 using the delete button here, and then 8, choose 1, and then times 6, it's already there. Choose 2 and 6. Delete this one. 0, 6, choose 3. And then divide by, I'm going to do this math thing right here. I think it's going to be better. Enter. And this will be 32. Choose 11. So let's, and I'm going to get 0.0039, which I'm going to round to 0.004. Okay. So this will be 0.0039, which is, well, let's keep it to 4 decimal places. Okay, so let's do another example from the same situation. Okay, same Skittles. Okay, let's divide this into regions. And let's paint this with red for the red Skittles. Let's paint this in purple for the purple Skittles. Let's paint this in blue for the blue Skittles. And let's paint this blue for the blue Skittles. Finally, let's paint this in green for the green Skittles. Okay, this takes a minute to paint, but let's stick with the same numbers. Okay, so there's 7, 5, 8, 6, and 6. I'm gonna take a sample of, in this case, 3 of them are red. 2 of them are purple. 5 of them are blue. 3 are yellow. And 4 are green. Okay. Oops, not blue, it's green. Okay, so we are going to find the probability of getting 3 red, 2 purple, 5 blue, 3 yellow, and 4 green. I'm going to go straight to combination notation. So from 7, choose 3 times 5, choose 2, 8, choose 5, 6, choose 3, and 6, choose 4. Divide that by 32. By 32. Choose, in this case, how many did we choose? 17. Okay. So for this one, I'll let you do it in the calculator. I will just give you the answer. You should get 0.010 after rounding these to 3 decimal places. And guys, this is the end of this chapter 5, which is discrete probability distributions. So in the next chapter 6, we're going to go over the continuous probability distributions. We're going to do a lot more of calculator, just a little bit of graphing and shading, not much, but it's mostly calculator. So I'll wrap up the chapter here, and I'll see you in the next video, in the next chapter. Okay, bye.